Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And so today I wanted to actually do a quick review on this acrylic kit from the Kiss company. And this company, they have many different products such as makeup, nail polishes, different products, cosmetic products. And so I just wanted to do a quick review on this kit due to it being COVID-19, and a lot of people have been requesting me to do a review on this Kiss kit. So I went to go to the store and picked one up and just did a review. But yeah, so I'm just actually laying everything out, and as you guys can see, it actually came with a size 6 or 8 brush, some acrylic monomer, as well as the polymer, which is the powder, and a pack of nail tips. And so I just did a quick comparison of the brushes because I usually use a size 20 or size 22 brush to do my acrylic applications, and so I will not be using the brush that came in the Kiss kit, but I just used some of the I actually used the brush on a different set to see how it actually is. And the brush is actually pretty good, but due to me having double tip nails, I decided to just use my brush. And my natural nails are looking crazy right now because I actually had got into a situation, and y'all know I had to bust it down right quick, but my nails actually kind of had messed up. And so yeah, I actually ended up removing my nails not the proper way, but I had to actually use a tip to actually remove some of my nails because my nails were lifting bad. And after that situation, I was like, oh no, I need to do my nails because I cannot have my nails not done. So yeah, but that's the reason why my natural nails are looking kind of crazy in this video, because I actually had got into some things, but we ain't gonna get into that. One of the things that I disliked about this Kiss kit, I can say, is that it didn't come with any primer. And I'm not sure if they're not allowed to sell primer if you're not a real nail tech, but the primer is actually what's needed to keep the nail on and lasting for a while. If you don't have your primer, the nail will definitely pop off within 2 or 3 days. So I suggest you get some primer if you're going to use this Kiss kit, because the nails will not last without your primer. And the reason that I'm using my nail tips is because the white nail tips, I don't really like the white nail tips. I rather them had added natural color nail tips rather than the white nail tips. But I guess because it's a French look type of thing, they wanted to put the white. But I would rather them put the natural color nail tips in the box. So I just decided to use my regular nail tips from Modern Salon, Miss Anna. And I'm doing the double tip because I want to actually keep my concept of the double tip nails and see if this Kiss kit can actually complete a full double tip set. So I do have previous videos of how I prep my nails for double tip sets, but I'm not going to get too deep into how I prep my nails. So after I'm done doing the basics of prepping my nails, which is choosing the length, choosing the shape, and making sure my foundation is good, now I'm going to get into the Kiss kit. So like I said, the Kiss kit comes with monomer and polymer, which is the powder, but it didn't come with any primer. And the primer is very important when doing a full set because that is what helps the nail last. And so I am using my own primer, and the primer that I am using is from Mia's Secret. So it isn't a bad primer. It's actually going to keep the nail on for a long period of time. And one thing that I really like about the Kiss kit is that the powder was a clear powder. It wasn't any white powder or any, if it was a pink powder, I would accept that too. But I didn't like the fact that it came with white nail tips and then you would have to use clear powder. And so the clear powder If you have a nice healthy nail bed and your nail bed is like a bright, like a nice pink color or a tan color, then you would you would use this Kiss kit with no problem. But let's say if you have if your nail beds are kind of like a brown color and you don't really want the clear to kind of show your nail, then it wouldn't really be good for your nails. But like I did say, I am using my own nail tips, which is the clear nail tips, so that's why everything is just looking nice and smooth. But if I was to use the white nail tips, the clear would have covered you would have still seen the white, but regardless, your nail bed, depending on the color of your nail bed, is still gonna show. And some people nail beds are brown, some people nail beds have that pretty pink color, so you can't really use the clear depending, well, you can, but depending on your liking and the way your nail is set up, then you choose. This Kiss kit is very beginners friendly, and so if you're just starting to do your nails or due to quarantine, COVID-19, and you need a quick set, I would suggest getting this. But the primer is very, very important if you really want your nails to last. And you have to make sure that the powder is loosened up, and if your powder isn't loosened, then sometimes it will create a hard bead, you would say. So the bead would get hard very, very quickly. So just make sure that your powder is loose, and to mix your powders before actually dipping your brush into the powder. And this powder, it actually takes a long time to set. The nails actually took about 5 minutes to really set. So after I was done applying my acrylic to my last nail, I actually had to wait 5 more minutes so the nails can set really good. After I'm done applying everything to my nail, then I just drilled the cuticle area and the top. And one thing I can definitely say I loved about the Kiss kit, when drilling the nail, it actually drilled really nice. It wasn't really too hard, so I didn't have any trouble leveling my nails. And if you don't have a nail drill on hand, I would suggest getting a file. Some people, they rather use the file because they feel like the drill may cause some heat. And if it does cause some heat, just kind of slow down and just take a pause, let it cool down, and then go back to drilling the nail. But if you don't have a nail drill, I strongly suggest using a 180 grit hand file. So after I'm done filing the side walls as well as cleaning the cuticle area with my drill, I'm just going to keep this look very simple because this is just a review. And so I'm going to use some nail foil, and I would like to use the silver one, but I only had cheetah print, and so I wanted to actually keep the concept of the silver. And so I'm just polishing my nails now, and then I'm going to add my foil adhesive as well as my foil to complete the set. So the adhesive that I'm using today is actually a nail art foil adhesive, and so it's supposed to be used for foil transfers. So I got this off of Amazon for about $3.99, but you can find it off of either Wish or any other cheap websites that you would like. But I would suggest going on Amazon to get a foil adhesive. When applying your foil adhesive, it will go on white, but after a while it will dry, and then it's going to turn into a transparent color. So once it turns transparent, then you're able to add your foil transfer, and that is what keeps the foil transfer stick to the nail. And so after I'm done applying my foil transfer, I add a top coat, either gel top coat or regular top coat. And if you're using a regular regular top coat, then I suggest applying the top coat twice over the foil adhesive. This video is not a sponsored video, but I would like to thank you guys for watching and hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully you get this Kiss kit because it's very affordable and you get to do your own nails at home during quarantine. So stay safe, you guys, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching and subscribe.